Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg masala updated. Start by boiling 6 eggs, peel them, and keep them warm while you cook. Heat oil, sauté onions until golden brown, then add ginger garlic paste and chopped tomatoes. Cook until oil separates, then add spices and a splash of water to make a thick sauce. Toss in halved eggs and simmer briefly so flavors meld, then garnish and serve hot. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil and adding onions, stirring until they soften and turn golden for a rich base. Introduce ginger garlic paste, then add chopped tomatoes and simmer until the oil rises. Sprinkle in cumin, coriander, and garam masala, adjusting salt and spice to taste. Add a small splash of water to reach a thick gravy consistency. Finish by gently folding in halved boiled eggs to absorb the masala flavors. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more recipes. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, which keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders, making it perfect while you cook or run errands. I find it handy and leak-proof, so it earns a spot in my kitchen routine. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After your masala is rich and aromatic, nestle halved eggs into the sauce and let them simmer for 3 to 5 minutes so they soak up flavor. Taste and adjust salt, a pinch of sugar, or a dash of lemon to balance acidity. Finish with a generous sprinkle of chopped cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lemon for brightness. Plate with warm roti or steamed rice and enjoy the comforting spice of egg masala.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.